everyone! So my topic is about learning support system, classroom structuring, and arrangement. So lesson 15, fallacies underlying learning system support. So ito yung ating objective. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to understand what is learning support system used in MG classes. Pangalawa is apply the structuring MG Classroom and appreciate the importance of MG Classroom in structuring and arrangement. So what is learning system? Learning system are the resources, strategies, and practices that provide physical, social, and emotional and intellectual support. So, kapag sinabi natin learning system, ito yung mga resources, strategies, and practices na kung saan makakatulong sa mga multi-grade learners na matugunan yung pangangailangan nila pagdating sa physical support, social, emotional, and intellectual support. So, layunin nitong magkaroon ng equal opportunity sa mga multi-grade learners at sa mga teacher. So, ito yung mga essential learning support system sa multi-grade classes. First is School Health Center. Health and Nutrition Intervention for the learners in a school. So, nakafocus ito sa health ng mga bata. Next is School Support Program that focus on sport and recreational activities for the learners. So, nakafocus ito sa sport. Next is Youth Formation, the co-curricular and extracurricular activities offered by a school. Then, pang-last is Instructional Material, visual aids materials in the classroom. So, let's proceed sa diverse instructional material. Ito yung mga IMs na kung saan makakatugon sa multi-grade classes or sa diverse classes. First is story recordings. Pangalawa is big books or small books. Pangatlo is lesson and curriculum guides. Pang-apat is learning resource management section. At panghuli ay school MOOE or maintenance and other operating expenses. So let's proceed sa lesson 16, classroom structuring and arrangement. So why classroom structuring and arrangement are important? Physical arrangement of the classroom is set up to maximize teacher-student interaction while minimizing distraction. MG or multi-grade classroom layout, able to provide greater flexibility in arranging and rearranging the whole group. Small group activities, individual or independent work, indoor games or dramatization, and role-playing. So, sa pag-arrange ng classroom setup, makakatulong ito para ma-minimize ang distraction within student and teacher. So, for example, may mga activities like indoor games, role-playing, malayang makakagalaw ang mga learners without the distraction. So let's proceed sa elements that contribute to a successfully MG classroom. First is semi-private. 5 to 10 learners. These are workstation learners use with or without teacher guidance. Pangalawa is learning material, books, all kinds form of textbook, trade book, reference book. So, pang-tatlo is room to move. Children and you also need to be able to move between the groups of desks with a minimum of disturbance to others. Next is the teacher's table. These should be carefully placed to give you an open view of the whole classroom. So, dapat nakaset up ito sa kung saan nakikita mo yung all learners mo. Next is blackboard. Can transfer to the different area of the classroom for small group activities with the teacher or for independent work. Panghuli ay ang ventilation. All parts of the classroom should be well ventilated and with adequate lighting so that all learners can work comfortable in any part of the room. MJ Classroom Structuring. First is cluster. Pangalawa is rows or columns. Pangatlo is runway. Then, pang-apat, stadium. Then, horseshoes or U-shape. Then, combination.